Present-day tightening legislation is exerting pressure on effective and ecological biodegradable waste processing. AGRO-EKO Ltd. offers a tried and tested technology of aerobic fermentation using certified device called EVA Fermenter, its acronym of which stands for Ecological Waste Apparatus. This is intended to process all compostable waste, including pathogenic waste, which is subject to hygienic regulations. Thanks to EVA Fermenter, problem waste can be transformed into useful product. A practical example of group employment of EVA aerobic fermenter can be seen in Němnice composting plant, which uses the complete waste treatment system provided by the AGRO-EKO company. In the composting plant, there are two pieces of EVA aerobic fermenter: a mixing and chopping machine, shredder, wheel loader, belt conveyor, gastro unit, and air conditioning system with a biofilter. The European Union and the State Environmental Fund of the Czech Republic funding programs have financed this project. The all-in cost has not exceeded 40 million Czech crowns. In this composting plant, which is run by the Land and Property Management Office in Němnice, they deal with all waste treatment coming from the town maintenance. The plant services are also open to the public's minor waste producers. After the light signalization allows the waste truck to enter the premises, it must be weighed. All trucks are registered here, which helps the waste treatment keeper to be up to date about the incoming waste. The weighing process can be watched both on the weighing machine's computer screen and a display located in the waste reception shed. A low-speed shredder, which is used to treat branches and other woody waste, pulverizes the refuse into parts fitting into EVA aerobic fermenter inlet. The wheel chassis enable easy handling with the device. Thanks to a special modification, the shredder can be also used to pulverize cardboard and paper. The mixing machine used for finishing the waste materials which go into the EVA fermenter is placed on the railway. After the loading and weighing of the waste materials are cut and blended, which enables them to transform into a homogeneous mixture. Paper comprises an absorbing component of the fill, thus is a suitable waste material. Now all the waste materials are ready to be loaded. The process runs by means of conveyors and usually takes about 3 hours. In this phase, machinists who make a visual inspection of the loaded material play an important role. The staff log into the aerobic fermenter's computer system via a chip. On the touch display, you can monitor a course of temperature changes inside the fermenter, get detailed information about the mixture composition fill, or modify the course of the fermentation cycle. When the fermentation process finishes, all fill is stabilized and hygienized. Since this moment, we have called it a fermentate. Just as the wheel conveyor enables an easy manipulation is used for loading, so it's used for unloading. The unloaded fermentate is taken to a detached room in an adjacent shed. The fermentate can be instantly used as a component for compost substrates. For its application to soil, it is necessary to let it mature from 4 to 8 weeks. In addition to commonly compostable waste, the composting plant is equipped with a gastro waste treatment unit. It includes an isothermal box, kitchen waste crusher, washing grate, and storage container. To eliminate bad smells, which can arise from the process of controlled composting, the aerobic fermenters are supplemented with a cassette biofilter. For the use of the outgoing air filtration, a biofilter with 8 cassettes is installed. These are usually filled with crushed biomass. Another example of a composting plant using the EVA aerobic fermenter is the composting plant in the town of Vimperk. This project has been financed by the European Union and the State Environmental Fund of the Czech Republic as well. In the frame of the project, the AGRO-EKO company has provided one aerobic fermenter EVA, a mixing machine, belt conveyor, and a biofilter. This composting plant is run by the Public Services of Vimperk. Here, unlike the Jemnice composting plant, the processed waste is taken to an area appointed to its maturing process. In the future, a biofuel production aimed to be burnt in the heating plant adjacent to the composting plant is a matter of consideration. AGRO-EKO has its own assembly center, which is located in Albrechttice near Český Těšín. The premises have got not only a modern equipped production assembly center, but also RD activities. In 2009 and 2010, the company invested 16 million Czech crowns into the production hall and machinery equipment renovations. AGRO-EKO is proud of an experienced and qualified assembly staff team that puts their RD and designers' proposals into practice. AGRO-EKO produces its own certified biofuel and runs its own central steam plant. The company AGRO-EKO offers a tour to its plants for each of you who are interested in the company's technology.